Look at this, guys. We have farming stats for I can't believe it. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got Blox Fruit script for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website, then type in search Blox Fruit script and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we must enter our Roblox username. So let me paste my here. I already copied. Let me click continue, guys, and let's see the next step. User found. Nice. Just click connect. Do you have any executor? No. Import new is delta. Yes. Select script that you want to add to your account. Click continue, guys, and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working method for Blox Fruit script. Okay, just scroll down and click verify now, and let's see the next step. And now, guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here. Okay, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app or downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So, guys, I will download this, just playing their money and hotpot loop. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this status complete success, redirecting almost done. So let's wait a little bit for this redirecting and let's see the final step. Injection successful, guys. That's it. So let me open my Roblox and let's play Blox Fruit and let's see. And look at this, guys. I'm now in the game. We have this. Thank you for using Delta. Just click on home button, click execute, and let's wait a little bit. And now select Blox Fruit discrete, and look at this, guys. We have farming stats for I can't believe it. So this is working perfectly, guys. I can't believe it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.